Good morning, fourth graders. Happy Wednesday. Let's talk about our day today. So for today is Wednesday. It is January 20th. For special, we do not have anything going on today because it's a virtual day. You also need to check in with Ojibwe and make sure you're logging into the Google Meet at 10 a.m. and working on all of your assignments for our Google Classroom today. So what are our assignments for today? Our goals are I can complete Daily Review 3.5 and the Quick Check 3.5. I can continue working on our writing paper, and I can join the Google Meet at 10 a.m. So more specifically, your Daily Review 3.5, you guys know how to do this. It's a Google form. You're going to click it, open it up, answer all the questions slowly, carefully, and making sure that you are reading the problem fully and correctly. And then once you're done, submit that and mark it as done in Google Classroom. And you can move on to the Quick Check. Again, this is the same as always. It's going to bring you to the math website. You'll have 5 questions to answer. Go slowly and use scratch paper. Again, you only get one chance to do the Quick Check, remember. And then once you're done with that, submit it and mark it as done in Google Classroom. And then the last thing you're working on today is your opinion writing paper. We are working on finishing up our paper today, and the way we're doing that is with editing and revising. So this looks like the same slide we saw yesterday. However, there's the edit and revise checklist. On the last slide, you need to go through, proofread your paper. That means reread it again, making sure that it's correct. So using that checklist on the last slide, reread your paper and make sure it marks off each one of those check boxes. If there's some capitalizations that need to be fixed, if you forgot to use a sentence starter, you can go back and do that on your Google Slides. Once you are done with that, I want you to have someone from your family do the same thing. Okay, so you're going to read it, and then someone from your family or someone at home, it could be friend, family, whoever, I want them to read it and use the checklist as well. When you are done with 2 proofreads, okay, so you and the other person, then you can submit it finally on Google Classroom. That's going to be the last thing we're going to work on with the Google writing or the opinion writing paper. Okay, so after you've edited and revised twice, then you can turn it in and I will grade it as the final copy. Okay, if you have questions on that, we can talk about it during our Google Meet today, which is at 10 a.m. So please click the link. It'll be on the stream to join at 10 a.m. If you have any questions before then, or you just can't wait till 10 o'clock to ask me, then you can always send me an email. And otherwise, I will see you guys at 10 o'clock. See you then.